hosting a career fair focusing on electronic system technology, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, refrigeration, welding technology, culinary arts, international baking and pastry, as well as automotive technology. We have all of our programs, over 80 employers here.
There's a lot of changes in the industry, beginning with electric and hybrid vehicles. So there's a lot of technology coming into our industry right now, and with the education that these young people can get, they're the future of our industry.
We're looking for quality, entry-level electronic technicians. Our goal is to find new people that we can grow, give them a career opportunity, and also teach them the industry. So this is where you start with it.
Lincoln has a good name. This is my first time coming in with Lincoln, but the bus side's been here several times in the past, so we decided to jump in here. We're hiring welders, and it's a long-term career. You make a career out of it. The whole welding industry, it's thriving right now.
My name is Evelyn, and I manage the Nothing Bundt Cakes in Columbia. Today we are looking for our heart of the house employees, our frosters, bakers. Try to cross-train both of them. We have 2 employees that graduated from Lincoln Tech Pastry, and they have been 2 phenomenal employees. So, yeah, it's great to come out and find more.
I'm looking for here are people that want to work hard, want to go to work, that want to learn, and make a career for themselves. That's what we're here to represent them. I've been to the Lincoln Tech Career Fair probably now for of the last 4 years, probably about 5 or 6 times. I've networked and worked with probably over 100 to 150 students that have come here. Put a good amount of them to work, but I still develop good relationships with them beyond in their career. So.
We were here several years ago, and it's probably triple that now. Our presence here of employers. Great market to be in, especially when you're coming out of Lincoln Tech. You can pick your scale, your hours, anything you want is all available right now.
I've actually got about a dozen people in my shop who graduated from Lincoln Tech in the automotive program, and my shop foreman actually graduated from here almost 20 years ago. The state of the automotive industry is that we have a lot of people who are very senior in the automotive technician world, and we're looking for new people all the time because very shortly that group of master technicians is going to wind up aging out of the industry. We're not going to have the experienced people to do repairs unless we get the brand new people right now.
Lincoln Tech, well, actually the owner of our company was a Lincoln Tech graduate, and so he's really big on Lincoln Tech graduates. So we want to come here and we'll kind of give back a little bit and offer you guys a position because he does feel loyal to Lincoln Tech. They come prepared. They know their electricity. They know the basics of HVAC. No one's expecting them to come and be a superstar. That takes years and years and years of practice. But they come there and you get quality education. They come ready to go.
Hi, my name is Rose, and we are here from R Automotive to talk to the students of Lincoln Tech. We have a really fantastic automotive technician training development program. We have our directors, managers, and trainers here today, and we're really excited to share our training program with the students. We come to Lincoln Tech because of the wonderful curriculum. They really prepare the students very, very well, and we feel like when they come to work that they're really, really wanting to learn and grow, really.